Hi there, welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. To all of my viewers out there all over the world, I welcome you to this video. In this video, we're gonna talk about Discord again. I think I've made two videos or one before explaining on how Discord is managing this new update, to be specific, evolving usernames on Discord. You heard it right, it's another Discord username video or another Discord username drama. In the sense that this isn't a tutorial, it's just me letting you guys know how it is, giving you guys an update on what's happening right now regarding this update. So before we get started, I'm going to ask you kindly to get a piece of paper, open up your notepad on your PC, laptop, or even your phone to just take down notes on what's happening, or you can just get back to this video and watch it again, right? So as you can see here, this is the old username. It's gonna be Phoebe or Phoebe. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. And that legendary or old design which has the number sign and four numbers. Personally, I love this more. It gives us uniqueness. It shouts professionalism, and personally, I never remembered those four numbers. That what's make it cool. Now, with this new update, it's gonna remove that hashtag or number sign, and it's just gonna replace it with something as simple as this. It's gonna be display name on top of the username. So technically, to all newbies or newcomers for Discord, they think it is gonna be okay. At first glance, this is good, but if we dig deeper, check what's happening, check what's the effect about this, you're gonna see what I mean. So the very first thing is I actually like it in a sense because if you check your Discord as this one right here, go to the settings, you click your accounts, you can change your display name actually, and then you're gonna have that name displayed all of your servers. And that means if you have this option or feature on your end, that means that you have this update rolled onto your account, this Discord update. That's the only thing I like about it because you can change to a very specific display name, but display name is different from a username. Please take note about that. Okay? Now, that being said, let's check on what's happening. Why do people, or how come people are being mad about this? So first things first, of course, is it's being marketed. It's gonna take on the financially side of Discord. That's people are just getting in line or getting the username as fast as they could, or compiling them without even having the accounts themselves. What I mean is that people are um, hogging. What I mean by hogging, that the hog, it's gonna be hogging, HOGGIG, to sell them on the black market on the internet. I found this site right here that sells username, but this is not the specific link that I want to show you guys because apparently this site took it down. However, I managed to take one screenshot regarding those usernames, and these ones are the prices. As you can see, they're not a joke. It's been updated on January 5th or May 1st. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Anyway, it's this year, and these are the usernames that are for sale. The top one is at NW username, goes for $6,000. You heard it right, you saw it right. This username right here costs $6,000. It is not a joke. People are getting username because with this new update, they're gonna be more unique. It's first come first serve basis, and the one who got the first username, the most unique one, can sell it on how much they please. And with this one, as you can see, it costs $6,000 for this specific username, which is a good thing for the seller, but it's a bad thing that it removes the idea of fun. It became a business. Discord is not a business to be start with, it's for gaming. And as a fellow gamer, I don't like this. And apparently on my previous videos, I show you that majority of the community doesn't like it also since they put up a petition. And I hope you guys check it out and sign it up. So I'm gonna just remove this one so we can tackle other ideas here. By the way, guys, it says here that you cannot really make a Discord username with the name of Mike, Jane, or any specific username out there. However, I saw a account that has a mic with it and a number 2929 or something like that. That was created May of 2023, May of this year. That means that Discord is lying to us that because it says here if you want to use a common name like Mike, but there are already 9999 Mikes or James, so you're blocked from that name altogether. That means that you cannot use Mike or Jane anymore. However, I saw this nickname. I saw this username Mike being used that was created on May of this year. So actually, I just wanna take note of that one. It's actually a very sketchy information. So do with this as you may. Now moving on, I want to tell you guys about this one. It's not just regular people. It's not just regular gamers out there who got their nicknames stolen. As you can see here, Indie Studio has its Discord username stolen out from under them. So Indie Studio is actually a very big or very trending company that has its Discord name stolen right under from them. So a warning for all of the indie devs waiting to claim their own username, Studio Rusty Lake Writers on Twitter. We just received an email that we as verified owners, take note guys, it says verified owners right there, could finally submit a new username, and wow, this username which is Rusty Lake is already taken. If we as server owner with 240k members can claim it, what more as a regular gamer, as a regular user of Discord, to claim your own username? So this is just one of the things I want to highlight. Even devs, even large companies, even large content creators, social media influencers has their name taken by them. What more for a person like you and me? Get their username stolen, right? So I just want to let that out. I just want to let you guys know what's happening here. Now let's just check on this one. This is the topic, or this is a guy that posted on Discord feedback. The upcoming change to username is horrible. Please take note, he used the word horrible. We know this is the like other apps, and that's the point. Is that you wrote on Discord announcement page and so on and so forth. This is the important thing. Until now, Discord as a company and a platform had been doing all right things that puts customers and accessibility over making profit. Please take note, he used the word profit, because with this coming update, Discord change will be creating a black market for usernames as everyone scrambles to get the name they have, or more the likely option, trolls will grab common and popular usernames to sell it, and then this platform will definitely feel like the other apps. Exactly what I meant earlier, Discord is slowly becoming a business. Discord is slowly becoming a market for all of those common users to grab a popular common name and sell it at a higher price. I just saw earlier one nickname or one username has been selling for up to $6,000. Let me check here in my recording if we're properly good. Now lastly, I just want to tell you about this guy. It's not actually just a business that I'm worried about that gives me ick, it gives me worry, that gives me the gifs that I'm not liking this Discord update. Because man's death during swatting incident tied to Twitter handling criminal campaign. This is a lot of information, but technically this guy right here, an old guy, a sweet guy like this, is now dead because of a specific username he has, which is Tennessee, that costs a lot or worth of thousands of dollars. And then a minor by the name of Shane Sunderman, take note, it is a minor, was a part of a criminal campaign to intimidate Herring into giving up his username. Now, this Shane Sunderman posted Herring's address and other personal details onto Discord, wherein people sent a SWAT team to Herring's address, wherein Herring, or this guy right here, got a heart attack from it. I think Shane Sunderman got, I think, 5 years of prison time with this, but personally I think that's not enough. And this is actually one of the reasons and outcome or product or output, whatever you want to call it, or cause or effect, with this Discord username being up to the public. But to be specific, this is a Twitter handle. I'm just saying the things that may become once Discord still pushes with this update. Okay? Because you see earlier that a $6,000 username is not a joke. It's not a small amount, right? So one last thing right here, it's a Reddit post regarding a username that says it has been rolled out to staff. That means that even if you're as early as 6 a.m. or 5 a.m., there isn't exactly a time. I'm just saying this as an expression. Whatever time or how early as you can be, Discord staff are always the one to get the username first. But as a previous article earlier, even developers get their nickname stolen. So actually, it's been a war, it's been a scramble, it's been all out war here. It's like a WrestleMania that the winner gets the username, something like that. So the thing here is there are also restrictions on your username. Lastly, this is the one thing I want to tell you guys there, that for all newcomers, for all newbies, now they have restriction for usernames. They become more strict, they become more accurate, and I hope you check this out. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll keep you guys up to date with more Discord username videos.